What's up, my YouTube users? As you can see, there's a train coming my way. I'm standing directly on the tracks. You can call me an idiot if you want to, but my friend here is taking video as well. And it's not gonna hit us. But we just like standing on the track in the middle of the way, you know what I mean? Yes, I know we're on the track. Hello! I can grab onto this train right now. It's not even moving that quickly.
How much weight it carries?
Yep. You know what? You can tell that they've slowed the train down because of us. You see how much slower it's going now? Now it's gonna pick up all that momentum again. Those drivers are probably cursing us out.
What do you think if we lay under?
What's that?
What do you think if we lay under this?
Actually, you know what? You could.
Yes, you can.
It'd be scary, but you could.
Fine.
And you would survive. This guy's slowing way down.
And then take up more video.
This guy's slowing right down. It's going down slow. Look, you can actually touch this shit now. Oh, I know, trust me, that was a flat part. See how slow that's going now? That's going really slow. Like, you can touch that and it won't hurt you. But it's the carts like this that have rivets in them, you don't want to touch these ones.
Yes.
Ones like these. Holy shit, this is a...
Come on that.
This train is long, wow. And that's the end of it.
Follow that.
That's pretty intense, eh, boys?
Yes, we like it. So you're going to upload this on YouTube?
Yep.